Have you ever seen a car with fitment that just looks off? Like the uncanny valley, but for cars? The reason is probably because they're doing their suspension wrong. Aftermarket wheels are great and you can really make your car your own, but just adding new wheels and tires while keeping the stock suspension, it's like someone rocking $25,000 Red Octobers while wearing Walmart cargo shorts and dragging around a rolly backpack. If you want your car to look genuinely modified, swapping in coilovers or lowering springs, or if you got it like that, an air ride system can completely change the look of even some of the most stock cars. Dialing in your car's fitment properly is a solid first step in your build journey and will give you a more enjoyable driving experience almost immediately. So if I were you, I wouldn't just stop with new wheels and tires. I would complete the look with aftermarket suspension so people don't think your sedan has a lift kit installed on it.